So this is the lavender honey manuka baby shampoo from Shea Moisture. It was sent in the December box. So I'm using that in my hair. You can also you can also bathe your baby in this. It's supposed to be it's supposed to relax relax the child, I mean. So I'm just lathering that in my hair. I washed it one time off camera, and then I came back in the camera to do the second wash. The second wash I really just go in, which is why it looks rough, but I like to make sure my scalp is clean because I do use a lot of products on my hair. I just want to make sure all the product and the gunk and all that is out. Going across my edges because I do use a lot of oils. I'm just going in. And this is what I do every time I do a protective style. Like I go in. Even when I'm not wearing a protective style, I still want to make sure my scalp is clean. So now I'm using the hair mask. Now this didn't come in the box, but I love this hair mask. I leave this in my head overnight, but this time I didn't do it because my hair really didn't need a lot of it wasn't really dry, I'm gonna put it that way. So I know y'all see my hair shedding or whatever. I took the braids down from the first set of braids I did under my wig. It was just some simple straight backs. So I just took it out. Normally I do the tangle before I wash, but for the sake of this video, I want to show you all how these products really just, it makes my hair easy to maneuver. I know y'all see some of the hair, y'all be like, ooh, you. Some people will panic, but I haven't combed my hair in 3 weeks, so yeah, it's not nothing to worry about. You lose around, well, you lose, I'm not sure, you lose a couple of strands a day. You see how I'm just maneuvering through my hair with no issue? Like, that product has a lot of slip in it and I love it. You're gonna know, you see the shrinkage now. Watch when I detangle it. I just part it into 4 sections. And I add a little bit more, sometimes a little bit more of the deep conditioner. Sometimes if I haven't reached that part of the hair. Yeah, my hair is really growing. I've been natural, I think, fully natural, probably like 2 years. I'm not sure, I don't know. But it's really growing. Now you see the difference between that twist and the one on the other side. You see that? Yeah. Shrinkage is real. And plus I haven't combed out my hair before I wash it. But so yeah, this product right here, the I think it's the Miracle Style that I showed. But yeah, that has a lot of slip in it. It makes my hair easier to comb. Yep. I'm just going to twist it up after each part is detangled. Now you see how long that twist, that's crazy. So I rinsed it out. I'm going to be using the Jamaican black castor oil leave-in. I love this stuff. I'm not just saying that because they send me this, but this is one of my favorite lines that they offer. Like, it keeps my hair so moisturized. It makes it so soft. And even when you have your protective style in for like a couple of weeks, it still smells like it. And this is also my favorite, the Curl Enhancing Smoothie Coconut Hibiscus. Y'all, when I tell you this moisturizer is like, oh my gosh, it's A1. This has your hair feeling like butter, literally. Butter. When I take my braids down, when I use this combo, my hair is not dry at all. Whatsoever, it's not dry. And it looks white now because it's wet, but once it dries up, you don't see the whiteness anymore. But I'm telling you, using them two products together has your hair feeling like butter. Like, that Curl Enhancing Smoothie is everything. So now this is the next day. I'm wetting my hair down. As you can see, the Curl Enhancing Smoothie and the Jamaican black castor oil, it is, the product has dissolved in the hair. All I'm doing is just wetting it and adding my grease. Yeah, that is like grease. A lot of people don't like to use it, but it helps it easy to comb your hair and trap in the moisture from the moisturizer that I use in the leave-in. So now I'm going to part my hair down the middle because I do have a middle part wig. I am braiding down for the wig again. I'm just giving my hair a break from the braids for now. So we just want to do probably another 3 weeks in the wig again. And if you want to know how I made the wig, you can click the link below. Well, if you want to know how to make a wig, this is not the same wig that I have on in the video, because yeah, once you watch the video, you'll see why. But yeah, this time I'm braiding down. The last set of braids I had were going back. I did straight backs. This time I'm going to braid down. You always want to change up your braiding pattern so you won't have any breakage. Look how easy it is to maneuver through my hair. I don't braid tight, so yeah, and I'm braiding my hair in this natural state. Like I said, you moisturize and you wet it and put a little grease on it. It makes it easy to braid. A lot of people don't like braiding in this natural state, but if I'm wearing a wig or something, I'm not gonna blow my hair out and then braid it down, because I don't need it. It's less time just braiding it in this natural state. Now I do blow my hair out when I do like the feed-in braids, or the feed-in braids, because my hair does better when it's blown out with extensions. But if I'm just wearing a wig, then I'm just gonna braid it down in this natural state, which is not hard. A lot of people don't like to do it, but it doesn't bother me. And the grease, it traps the moisture in the hair. So y'all, these braids do not have to be perfect. You see mine are raunchy. I didn't care how they look because nobody's going to see them under the wig. So unless you're in my household, but who cares? So y'all, I'm not styling this wig on camera. If you want to see how I style this wig, just click the link below to see. I'm just putting it on because it's late, so I'm gonna put like some wavy curls in it probably. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it simple. And I did pluck the part when I was making the wig. I didn't pluck it as much. But this is a 4x4 closure. The hair was originally 12 inches, but I just wanted something shorter length, you know, just to keep it simple. And it's cheaper to buy shorter hair. LOL. Okay, so y'all, that's it. Thanks for watching.